In today's video tutorial, we will cover how to use draft campaign and how to run experiment in draft campaign. So my website is ppcexpertclasses.com. I'm into PPC training. So this draft campaign feature, it's a new feature which Google has recently launched, and today we will see on live project like how to do changes in draft campaign, how to launch an experiment, and what is draft campaign is all about. So like this is the one of the new project. I'm just showing you on my live campaign because the trainings which I'm offering, like the most of the things which we cover in my training sessions, we do it on live project. There are many more projects in my client manager account. So like just to give an about idea of draft campaign, we are doing on one of the live campaigns. I'm just trying to implement experiment on one of this campaign. So just showing you how to do this, and if you're preparing yourself from interview point of view, so it's been quite obvious like if some new change Google Google launched, so like it's quite obvious like interview will focus more on that particular change. So let's do what is draft campaign is all about. So can you see this is the campaign? Some campaigns like some of my students, they already created, those who are taking training from my end, and like you can see one conversion here. It's because like client got many conversion, but like the conversion tracking code which we have given to the client, they have implemented very late. So we have just tracked one conversion yesterday only, but I had words with my client, so he told me that he got somewhere around 5 to 6 conversion as if now, as this campaign is under testing process. So now what I'm doing with the draft campaign, so let's say this is the campaign, website designing daily. These are the categories which one of my batch has created for this, and I've uploaded this theme into my client account. So this is the campaign. Once you will click to the campaign here, you will see a tab here. It's a new tab, draft. So you have to click to the draft option here, create new. So any name you can give your draft campaigning name. So let's say I'm testing some of the advertisement apart from this campaign. I'm just running experiment for my text ad, how they will perform on Google. If they're performing good, so I'll upload those like ads in my original campaign. So let's see the steps. End of the day, everything you will come to know, right? So in the end of my video tutorial, you will come to know what I have done and what exactly this feature is all about. So let's say I'm giving a name here like I'll give website underscore ads underscore testing. This is the website ad testing. This is the main objective of mine. So this is the name only I've given to my campaign. I'll create here. So as soon as I click to the create option, it will take me to this option, all draft. Earlier we were on this step on all campaign. This is my campaign, web designing daily. This is the campaign name which student has given for this client campaign. And as soon as we have clicked on this create new and we have given name, so he already redirected me to this tab, all draft. Under it he has shown that same campaign. This draft means like Google has done a duplicate campaigning of my original campaigning, and he has like the duplicate campaign, the backup campaign he have given me in draft. So this campaign you can see all the ad groups, everything you can see here. Now what I have to do, I am creating one ad copy for my client for testing. Let's say I'll randomly click one of the ad group. Again the tabs are same. I'll click to the ads. I'll add one of the ad copy here. This is the one ad which is running. I'll create a new one just to do some changes. Website designing, let's say website designing daily, 7-page responsive website at the rate, let's say I'll mention here ₹5,999. I'll remove this full stop from here. So just to show you, randomly I'm doing, just to show you, it's not like the perfect I'm doing. After this tutorial I'll do the perfect work for my client, but just to share things with you, because like as I told you that I'm into trainings, it's not mean that I'm just covering the old module of mine, what all updates Google or Bing or Facebook like launches, that also I've included in my module. So just to give you an idea like how to use this feature, it's very important for job point of view. So I would request you to please work onto it and prepare yourself and then go for an interview, right? So I have just removed full stop and I have added rupees, or let's say I'll remove the @ sign and I'll make it 5,999 full stop. Like this randomly I'm doing, okay, just to show you. on my client website. After this I'll remove it, and then after that I'll save it. So this is the new ad I have created, not in my original campaign, but I have created this advertisement under my draft campaign, which is the backup copy of my original campaign. And under one ad group I have added one new advertisement here, and I have just removed @ and I have just mentioned RS rupees 5,999, the same, the price which is offering, right? So now what you have to do, we will launch an experiment in draft campaign. How to launch experiment? To test how these ad copies are performing. If this ad copy will perform better, then only I will upload this ad copy in my original campaign. So first we have to run an experiment. So how to run an experiment? I'll click to the apply option here. It will ask you what next. Update your original campaign. This means like this ad copy Google will update in my original campaign, which is under all campaign. That one is the first campaign which I'm talking about. Run an experiment means you are testing first this ad copy under the draft campaign. If you will get response, if I'll get conversion, if I'll get less average CPC and good position for this advertisement, then only I will update into my original campaign. So I'll create and run an experiment. I'll click to the apply. I'll give ads testing, and this is the start date 15th of March. Today is 15th of March, and end date of mine, let's say it's April, it's too far. I'll run this experiment for 2 days, let's say 17th till 17th of March 2016. I want to run and I want to test this ad copy, how it will perform on a campaign. And this is the experiment split. This means like how much budget you want, you want to consume it from your original campaign, and for that amount only Google will run experiment, and after that it will not run in these 2 days. So let's say I'll use it 20% of my budget he can consume for this experiment. So I'll create. So budget which like we have given, that is the original campaign budget, out of which he will take 20% for the experiment, and the reports which we'll get later on. So let me click to this ad experiment. I have clicked this. So by default it will take me to the experiment page. We were on this step. We have created one draft campaign. As soon as I click to the apply and I click to the run experiment, I have filled that form. It will take me to this tab here, experiment. So what all results, what all keywords like that ad copy which will perform, you can check it out here. So this is the web design. Here only I think we have created ad group name. I forgot what ad group name I have given. Let me see what ad group name is. I think it's web designing Delhi. So here we go. I think, yeah, here you can see. So these are the 2 ad copies I have created this ad one. So once my ads will go live on Google, it will run this experiment of 20% out of my budget. If I'll get good ratio here, if I'll get good clicks, good CTR, better average position, and the costing, everything will go fine. What I'll do, I'll click to the apply now from an experiment, and I'll click to this option, update your original campaign. So it will take this change into my original campaign. It will go live on my original campaign. So there we go. In this campaign, it will implement. So I have tried on one of my project as well. I have tried on my ads also. So it's running perfectly fine. And one more thing I would like to show you, like one of my batch has done work. So just to give you in brief what all things you have to focus on in beginning at the time of creating campaign. So this is the one of my client project on which one of my batch is working, because in my training session, like most of the things we do on live project, because it's quite obvious, sir, ki till the time you will not work on live projects you cannot understand PPC. So for that we need a live project. So this is what they have done, and they're getting very good result out of it. So I'm planning to share what they have done. So just to give you in brief, not everything I'm giving here. For more details you can contact me if you want to learn things in advance. Just to give you an idea, like this is the campaign which I got from one of the client of mine. Advertisement is also running on Google. If you will see laptop on right. So this is the advertisement which is coming on top. This is one of my batches working onto it. Training batch is working onto it. So like all time status I'm showing to you, and like so far client has spent 72,000 something like this they have spent it. This is the campaign which is running. This is the campaign which is we paused as if now. So 12,000 is spent, 69 is the average CPC cost which is coming, average CPC cost, and this is the average position which is coming 2.3. Now my batch has created this campaign, laptop desktop Ishan, and this is the name they have given to the campaign. And now can you see the CTR which we are getting? It's 11%. They are working on CTR, they have improved a lot. 6% was the earlier one which the client is doing self. And the costing, the major difference which we get in costing, it's like per click cost which client is paying at the time when he is managing or someone else is managing the campaign is 69.95. And trust me, within a week we get a like a ratio of like average click cost is 54 rupees. So like it's a major work they have done onto it, and they have not implemented any advanced setting as if now. Like my batch has not implemented remarketing as if now. In the original campaign only they have reduced the cost of average CPC from 69 to 54. And can you see the position also? It's not like my position is going at the bottom or like it's running below the fold, below the page. It's like running on the second position, 2.1, still better. Earlier client was getting ad position is 2.3. So they worked on to it, they improved CTR, they reduced my costing, they improved my position. That means they are working. Now the question comes, I'm sure abhi janna cha rahe honge ki like what changes they have done, what the things they have implemented in basic level. So just to show you, not to show you everything, just to give an idea, I'm just giving an idea. Like in the category wise they have designed like they have divided the ad group. They have created ad group very relevant. We have done some changes on landing page as well. As if now also we have given some changes on the landing pages. We have designed ad very like attractive comparison to other. If you will search, like almost all the things, all the services we have used, and like we have shown like where all areas we are providing services, where we can deliver, and the price from which the client is starting his services. So my advertisement is attractive, so quite obvious if my ad is attractive, I'm getting good CTR. If my CTR is good, so like it's quite obvious like I'm getting good quality score, because I shared on some of my videos that if my like this is the quality score which I'm getting 7 out of 10. So like my CTR is good, so like you can see the message here by Google, above average. So that means he has improved my quality score, because I hope you have seen like if you will create any of the dummy account, by default quality score which Google generates is 6 out of 10. So now they have improved, they have like improved the quality score by one, it's 7 here. And now what they are doing, now what they are working on, they are working on the quality score. Can you see this landing page experience below average? So now what they are working on, they are trying to increase the landing page experience. If this parameter will go average or above average, automatically my score will come 10 out of 10. So just to give an idea how to improve quality score, I have created one of the video. I would request you to, if you can come online, you can see one of the video of mine here. Like this is the video. Let me show you how to improve. I have given a very good tutorial here for the how to improve keyword quality score. How to improve keyword quality score. So this is the video of mine. On top only you can see Rahul Bist is my channel name. Under this you will get all the videos of mine. How to improve AdWords keyword quality score. This video I have created in Hindi. So I would request if someone want to know how to improve keyword quality score and watching my video first time. So I would request you can visit, this is the channel of mine, Rahul Bist. If you'll click to this link, you can see all my videos here. So here second option is for the second video is for the keyword quality score tutorial. These are the some of the short tricks which I have shared here. So there are many videos here. I would request if someone has not seen these videos, you can visit my channel, you can see. You can like my video if you really like the video. So this is what I would like to share with you, and I would request to please prepare yourself on this objective, which is a draft campaign, because what all things Google updates new, it's quite obvious like interview will ask and focus more on new changes. So you have some fair idea. Almost everything I've shown here, so like you can create it. So by this tutorial you will cover draft tab here and the experiment tab. It's a recent one only, and if somebody interested for the advanced training, you can contact me. This is my website, ppcexpertclasses.com. Like anytime you can call me, you can mail me, I'll reply you regarding the same. It's like I'm not running an institute. The things which I'm covering, it's like I'm working as a PPC consultant. So like on whatever things we'll cover in my training sessions, most of the times I'll give you the live project case studies work to work on, and so that you can get some hands-on experience on the topics which you are doing, and then only you will get you will gain some confidence. So like this I'm covering. So please feel free to contact me if somebody wants to learn things in advance. So just to brief you like this, I'm covering all these things, and there are many more projects. I'm not disclosing everyone as if now. So like there are many more projects on which I'm working, and let's see how the results we get, and batch is working onto it. So this is what I would like to share with you in this tutorial. Thank you so much for your time. Have a good day ahead. Thank you.